Hi, Jonathan Young from 80/20 Marketing. Just wanted to show you how to create a really simple SEO page, build one page at a time and set it up for optimum search engine friendliness. Anyway, let's get on with it. In the last video I showed you how to structure your website using the hub by adding category folders by going to the file manager and then creating folders, and we created category folders for each of our keyword categories, which was dog training books, collars, courses and gun dog training. We also added a page as well to the gun dog training, and if I show you that and go to web pages and click down under gun dog training, this was the actual page we created, and we saved it as a draft, so it wasn't live on the site but was ready, was keyword enabled, and the structure, the URL structure, was all set up. Now it's time to actually add the finishing touches to it and make it Google friendly. So I'm going to click into the actual page itself, and if you can remember, we set up the folder, so we added it to the folder, we gave it a page URL, and this would give us our domain /gundog training /gundog training equipment, the URL that Google would like to see to be able to follow it, and also make it very easy for humans to follow as well. So now we're actually going to set the page up to be search engine friendly, and there's a few things I need to run through with you on this first of all. So if we click the more options, the first thing you'll see is a new option here which has appeared, which is the page title. The page title are very important. In one of the first videos I showed you about gun dog or about training, I think it was dog training, every keyword that was used was found in the page title at Google. So it's unbelievably important to be able to rank highly to get your keyword in the page title first of all. And if I pop over to Google and show you something I prepared earlier, we went back to the first video I showed you. Dog training was the search that I put in, and this is the title of every page. So this is what Google's picked up, and if you notice, every single page or every single result on this first page of Google has dog training in it. The bit underneath, the little snippet underneath, is called the meta description, or 9 times out of 10 it's the meta description, as long as you use the keyword in it, and I'm going to show you how to add that as well. So the whole point of this is to add the keyword to the title. Try and make the title interesting, because you want, at the end of the day, you want the person to click through. So this is a great one: how to train a dog, dog training tips and techniques for whatever it says. Discover how to train a dog the right way yourself at home. So again, it's making it more interesting. This is not a great title, Dog Training UK homepage. They could have been a bit more descriptive on here to help you click through. So that's the kind of thing that I'm going to show you right now. So here we go, page title. I'll just write something in, come back to you in a second. Okay, I've written in my title now, and I've made it Gun Dog Training Equipment Essential for Success. That's my title. Now what I want to do is add that meta description which I showed you a few seconds ago. So we pop over here onto the right hand side and add metadata to web page. Have you seen how easy this is without having to understand any HTML? This is going to put all the tags in exactly the places that Google wants to see them. So we just click on description, and I'm just going to fill this in and come back to you in a moment. So my meta description I've written in here is, I better change that to a capital. Make sure you choose the best gun dog training equipment. So there you go, gun dog training equipment. I've got the keyword in there, so you're almost guaranteed success in the field. I'm not a gun dog trainer, I don't know a lot about it, but it's more of a call to action. I want to get them to click through. So I add that as a description. I'll save that now. And what we've done now is we've now set the page up with a title, we've set the page up with meta descriptions, and now we're going to write the content. So the content we want to do, we want to first of all get gun dog training equipment somewhere near the top of the page, and it's usually best to put it in what's called a head tag, which is an H tag. What that is basically a headline tag. So we're just going to make it bigger and put an H tag on it. Again, it's really simple to do in the hub. If I just go quickly, essential gun dog training equipment, I'd now highlight that, click down this normal button and click H1. And then I go on to write my whole page, which is about gun dog training equipment. And we've got to have another part of this training which will go through how to actually set up the page properly for SEO. But for now, that now shows you exactly what we've got. What I'm going to do now is show you, spell that correctly, is show you how the page is going to look now. So what I'm going to do is click Save and Publish. and I'm going to preview a new browser, and as you can see, the Essential Gundog Training Equipment is now an H tag, which is a headline tag, and we can also see Gundog Training Equipment Essential for Success. The title of the page has now changed to what we set the title up for, and if we view the source, this is what Google sees. And as you can tell now, the first thing it's going to kind of come into this site and see is the title page, the title tag, and this is the most, I keep harping on about the title tag, it is the most essential part of setting up a page properly. And as you all also remember, we set up a description tag as well. Now you can see this meta description. Make sure you choose the best Gundog training equipment, so you're almost guaranteed success in the field. So again, it's giving Google Spider a really good idea of what this page is about before it gets into the meat of the page. And then further down, the rest of the page will appear, and it will be able to then rank the page according to the keyword that you've chosen. So that's a quick look into how to set a page up through the hub. It's very, very simple. Everything is there that you need to set it up to be search engine friendly that Google loves, and you don't need to touch any HTML code while you're doing it. I look forward to seeing you soon. Take care. Bye.